That door came out okay. I think I can live with that. So that's what I'm starting on today. Then I think I'm gonna go over and work on a bulldozer blade for the skid loader. Try to clean it up, refurbish it, and probably put that on the market too and sell. Just using Scotch-Brite to clean up the stainless steel. It's never been used on anything else. So that's how we're gonna clean that up. Yeah, I'll just try to get these watermarks off the stainless. A few little rust spots. Now in stainless steel, you never want to use a wire brush that's ever been on regular carbon steel. If you take a brush and it's been on scratching up carbon steel, it's going to have that carbon on the stainless steel bristles. So if you go ahead and use it on stainless, then it's going to scratch and impregnate the stainless with that carbon, and you will get rust scratches. So when cleaning stainless steel, only do it with brushes and things that have only been on other stainless steel, or if not brand new would be best. The door came out pretty good. There in the shop, it looked like there were some dull spots that I might have needed to go over with another coat, but I think out here in the sun it looks pretty good. A little overspray on the tires, but we've got another set of tires that are going to go with it when it gets sold. Good enough on that. Now our next project. Well, I started on it on Friday. Started knocking the surface rust off the front of the blade here. It is a bulldozer blade or a plowing blade for a skid loader. It's a Bobcat blade. I try to save as many decals as I can, but got a lot of surface rust here to knock off. Probably have to get a Dolpha over here at some point to figure out this rat's nest, because right now we only have one cylinder working, so the blade's pretty much stuck that way. So we're going to try to get this thing fixed up and sell it. Maybe keep it. We'll see. See how it works. Either way, we got another one here at the farm. It's turning into a heck of a nice day. I'm going to do a little painting outside here. Okay, so we got some of this Bobcat heavy duty equipment enamel, black, charcoal gray, I guess. Okay, we'll let that dry a little bit. We'll flip it over to the bottom side, and for now I may go and until I can pull that blade out of the shop out here to paint it, probably put together a leaf rake. So, oh yeah, one more thing. I ran that hose out like I said I was gonna from the compressor piping here. Ran that out, plugged it down through this conduit here. So we ran it out here. Came up, Came up and put on this Vivor air hose reel out here on a post, and we still got to put some type of a cover over it. I don't know. I'm not sure how long that'll last. It's kind of cheap, but you know what? It works out for having an extra air hose outside the shop. So that's that. That little project's wrapped up finally. Oh, just fixing this thing up, refurbishing it, cleaning it up.
Do some welding to it?
No,
Just painting it.
just knock all the old rust and stuff off. And,
Oh, that's nice.
well, hopefully I'll have enough paint to finish it. What are you up to today?
Cleaning out like a mansion that they moved into a home. It's like a nursing home.
Yeah.
And they just did the estate sale on the weekend. So our job is to take out everything that was left from the sale. So
Whatever it is.
I'm going to throw some chairs in the burn pile and some little stuff in the trash. So if you want any of this stuff, it's off the trash.
You got any drawers or anything? Look under them for cash or jewelry.
Yeah.
Couple nice chests.
There's some chests.
I used to have some of these when I was a kid. Oh, these chairs aren't too bad.
No, they're not. I was gonna burn those. It's better than going to the dump.
Oh yeah.
Because I went to Goodwill first, and this is what they didn't take. There was a bunch of clothes in the bed along with that Christmas tree.
And that's what they took? The clothes and stuff?
They took all the clothes, and then there's a couple more tables they took.
We got her. Got this little leaf rake cart done. But the hardest part on it was putting together this thing. Just seems a little flimsy and wobbly, but I guess that's what it's supposed to be. I don't really like it. I don't really like it, but it's gonna have to be, I guess. It's gonna have to work. I don't know, there's just something I don't like about all this, but I guess that's how it was manufactured, so that's what we got. I don't have any extra bolts or washers or nuts or anything, so I assume it's put together right. I half-heartedly followed the directions. Makes it more fun trying to figure it out without their drawings. But yeah, we got that, and we have this. I've got one coat of paint on it. But yeah, it looks quite a bit better. Could probably just use another coat of paint, but I ran out. Had enough just to give it a good coat. Maybe that's how we'll leave it. We'll see. Here is the solenoid cover. Well, there's a couple small projects done for today. We did the leaf yard broom rake, whatever you want to call it, and I've got a coat of paint on the Bobcat Bulldozer blade. So yeah, we'll just need to get that rewired, maybe change the solenoids, figure out why those cylinders are stuck, and probably put that blade up for sale. Other than that, that's all I got today. Thanks for watching.